In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time track in Trello. We're going to set up a dedicated time tracking board using a ready-made template so you can start estimating and logging effort without building everything from scratch. Begin by heading to your Trello boards page, the hub where all your boards live. From here, look to the top of the screen and click Create. This opens Trello's board creation options. Instead of starting with a blank board, choose Start with a template. Templates give you a solid structure that's already been thought through for a specific workflow, which is perfect for time tracking. Next, select Explore Templates to open Trello's full gallery. You'll see categories and examples you can browse, which is helpful to understand how different teams organize their work. For this setup, use the search bar and type Timed Effort Planner. This is the template we want because it's designed to help you estimate and track how long tasks take, giving you a clear picture of workload and progress. Open the Timed Effort Planner template and take a quick look at the preview so you understand the lists and example cards you'll get. When you're ready, click Use Template. Trello will prepare to copy the structure into your account. You'll now see a creation panel. Give your new board a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Something that reflects the team or period you're tracking, like a project name and time frame. Clear naming helps avoid confusion as your workspace grows. Next, choose the workspace where the board should live. Pick the team space that needs access since permissions and visibility follow the workspace you select. If multiple teams use Trello, this choice ensures the right people can see and contribute to your time tracking board. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your board with the template's lists, example cards, and structure. Once it opens, you'll notice it's organized to support estimating effort and tracking how time is spent across tasks. This structure is the key benefit of using the template. Your categories, example tasks, and suggested fields are all ready to go, so you can focus on your work rather than configuration. A few quick tips as you get started. Use consistent, meaningful titles so tasks are easy to scan. Keep the board in the correct workspace to maintain access control. And if you don't see the timed effort planner at first, double check the spelling in search. With this setup complete, you're ready to track time in Trello with a system that's organized, predictable, and easy for your team to adopt.